Hey flight crew, and welcome back to our Walt Disney World edition of Everything We Ate. Today we will go through every single snack, meal, and treat from our spring 2026 Walt Disney World vacation. We will be using our usual ranking system: pure Disney magic, solid park food, and needs refurbishment. Come along with me and let's head over to our first stop, the stunning Riviera Resort. We hit up the ever-popular Topolino's Terrace for the character breakfast, and I have to say, the resort itself and the view is absolutely gorgeous, but I'm not gonna lie, this meal did not fully live up to the hype for us for the price. The characters were so fun and we love their outfits, but it was expensive, you guys, sitting right about $54 per adult and $35 per child for one entree. That's a pretty penny. They started you off with this adorable bucket of pastries that came with a honey butter, house-made jam, and a rich chocolate hazelnut, which everything in here was pretty solid. Nothing life-changing, but a good starter carb. I've also heard that you can request refills on the pastry bucket from your server at no additional cost, but we did not try that this day. The kids both chose the Mickey waffle dippers that came with syrup, strawberry puree, and chocolate sauce to dip your waffles in. They said it was fine, but not their favorite, so I would say solid park food overall. Maddie got the avocado toast and smoked salmon, and he said it was meh, and this would be a needs refurbishment. I got the French toast, and I would give it a solid park food, not life-changing, but it was tasty. Overall, we are glad we tried the Riviera, but not a place that we have to come back to eat. For the price, it just didn't feel like it was worth it, and there are so many other good breakfast options at the parks that are better in comparison. Now, if you head down to Primo Piatto, the quick service at the Riviera, their quick service banana bread is delicious and a very reasonable price. Pure Disney magic for sure. We want to come back and eat regular food here too. Heading over to Disney Springs, we ate at Chef Art Smith's Homecomin, and this restaurant has the Florida vibes handled. The menu is huge and so are the portions. We sat outside, which the high top tables weren't our favorite with kids due to the huge and hard to maneuver chairs. Maddie got the char-grilled chicken, he said it was solid. I got the pot roast, and wow, it was pure Disney magic. I absolutely loved it. I still think about it today. Very filling and easily could have split between two people. We headed to Summer House on the Lake for their cookie bar, and they had a ton of options, but we ended up with the M&M, Pinky, and Snickerdoodle. These were solid park foods, not life-changing, but really good cookies with minimal weight compared to Gideon's. Our next day at Hollywood Studios, we had to try the new popcorn cart, and while we refilled our popcorn, we also snagged the Pizza Planet pepperoni spring rolls. They were delicious. I didn't love the marinara, but the rolls were a unique twist instead of just getting a piece of pizza. I would definitely eat them again. Solid park food on my end. That night, we ate at the Sci-Fi Dine-In for dinner, which growing up was an absolute family favorite. I forgot to get footage of the food, but Maddie got the grilled chicken citrus salad and said it was just okay. I got the classic burger, which was solid. The real perk of this restaurant are definitely the vibes. We also had an amazing server who made Eiley feel so special on her birthday with this special ice cream sundae and a candle. Day 3 in EPCOT for us was a lot of snacking and World Showcase, which for me included these chicken pot stickers, soft and flavorful, a hidden gem I feel like. They were pure Disney magic to me. The pork egg rolls were solid also, crunchy on the outside, savory goodness on the inside, both from Lotus Blossom. I couldn't leave EPCOT without a visit to the Mexico Pavilion to visit the 3 cabs and get my favorite from La Cantina de San Angel, not the margarita stand across the street that everyone flocks to, and that is the classic lime frozen margarita. It will always be a pure Disney magic to me. Heading to the America Pavilion at Block and Hans, the pretzel nuggets were so good with the cheese sauce, another pure Disney magic award, and much better than a Mickey pretzel in my opinion. Our final day was at Animal Kingdom, and I had to try the viral ice cream cookie dough sandwich at Terra Treats. It was also pure Disney magic, huge, and therefore a great bang for your buck.
Oh, okay.
Oh, good. That's worth the line. Wait in line. Heading over to Pandora at Pongu Pongu, the Night Blossom without alcohol totally lived up to the hype for me. It was so good and flavorful. Blake was devouring it herself too. Cannot wait to have this one again next time, and I will get the Navi giant pretzel in the future. Pure Disney magic for this one as well. We headed back to Yak and Yeti for dinner, if you know, you know, and the menu here is massive. We had the green beans appetizer, and it was meh, needs refurbishment to me. The wonton soup was warm, but the chips felt stale and not a lot of flavor, also needs refurbishment. but the fried rice was solid. Maddie said his chicken teriyaki bowl was pure Disney magic. They gave us fortune cookies for a little post-meal treat, which was a fun touch. We would definitely come here again and try some new items. Overall, during our trip, we had some really solid food again and always have new items to try for our next trip. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know, do you agree with our ratings? See you all in the next video.